Well, Cathay Pacific shares are soaring today after it confirmed that it's to cut almost 600 staff in its biggest round of job losses in 2 decades. The carrier says 25% of management and 18% of non-management workers are to leave by the end of the year. Let's get to the background on this from our Asia Equities reporter, Abhishek Vishnoi. Abhishek, I want to start by pulling up this great chart which shows you how difficult it's been for Cathay CEOs to maintain any kind of investor return during their 10 years. The best performing one was actually Tony Tyler with a return of about 0.4%, but 0.8%, I should say. But John Slozer negative 4%, and Ivan Chu negative 7.6%. So is this really going to be the turnaround in terms of the restructuring that investors have been looking for?
Well, it might be, and certainly analysts and investors seem to be believing that. I mean, if you look at the first time when this news, these sort of speculation came in the market about 4 or 5 sessions back, Cathay's stock sort of made a bottom. I think from May 16th low, the stock is up about 15%, including today's 3% gain, and market seems to be adding or rewarding the shareholders. I mean, the market cap has improved by about $600 million odd, and Cathay as a stock, it trades at trailing 12-month EBITDA of about 8 odd times. I think we had an Air China official in past which talked about that Cathay would be looking for cost savings of about $512 million odd. Cathay is on record talking about 30% of cost savings. So I mean, how these cost savings flow to the profit or the net profit or the earnings level, that is something that needs to be washed out, and it's trading at 8 times trailing 12 months EBITDA. So markets are probably trying to give a recurring earnings multiple to Cathay, believing that this turnaround might happen. And remember, the CEO Rupert Hogg had earlier said that this is the first step in their transformation plan, which might include more such steps. I mean, analysts have told us that probably Cathay may look at rationalizing unprofitable routes or using narrow body aircrafts in future to make sure that it essentially turns profitable.